current good manufacturing practice. Good manufacturing practice means the part of quality assurance which ensure that products are consistently produced and controlled in accordance with quality standard appropriate to their intended use. CGMP is a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. CGMP is designed to minimize the risk and involved in any pharmaceutical production that cannot be eliminated through testing the final product. If CGMP is not available, what will be the risk? The main risks are unexpected contamination of product causing damage to health or even death. Incorrect label or on container which could mean that patient received the wrong medicine. Insufficient or too much active ingredient resulting in ineffective treatment or adverse effects. What covers GMP? GMP covers all aspects of production from the starting materials, which includes packing material, raw materials, and others, accessory, premises, building, to the training and personal hygiene of staff. Detailed written procedure means SOP are essential for each process that could affect the quality of the finished product. There must be system to provide documented proof that correct procedure are consistently followed at each step in the manufacturing process. Every time a product is made, it means a documented evidence required at each step of production. Why GMP is important? Because poor quality medicine are not only health hazard but a waste of money for both governments and individual consumers. Poor quality medicine can damage health. A poor quality medicine may contain toxic substances that have been unintentionally added. A medicine that contains little or none of the claimed ingredient will not have the intended therapeutic effect. GMP helps boost pharmaceutical export opportunities. Why? Because most of the country will only accept import and sale of medicine that have been manufactured to internationally recognized GMP governments seeking to promote their countries. Export of pharmaceuticals can do so by making GMP mandatory for all pharmaceutical production and by training their inspector in GMP requirements. Now the question is GMP necessary if there is a quality control laboratory? The answer is yes, because quality must be built in during the manufacturing process. It could not be tested into the product afterwards. GMP prevents errors that can not be eliminated through quality control of the finished product. Without GMP, it is impossible to ensure that every unit of medicine is of the same quality as the units of medicine tested in the laboratory. Can manufacturer afford to implement GMP? The answer is yes. Making poor quality products does not save money. In the long run, it is more expensive. finding mistake after they have been made than preventing them in the first place. GMP is designed to ensure that mistakes do not occur. Implementation of GMP is an investment in good quality medicine. This will improve the health of individual patient and the community as well as benefiting the pharmaceutical industry and health professional. Making and distributing poor quality medicine leads to loss of credibility for everyone, both public and private healthcare and manufacturer. So GMP is an investment. This is the fundamentals. Without GMP nowadays no one can survive, and day by day it is going very tough. So it is mandatory for to implement successful